Today, I'm breaking down my top 5 Redken aftercare recommendations for summer, so let's get into it. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patricia Nicole, also known as Painted Hair, and I'm Redken's Global Artistic Ambassador. I've also been a hairstylist for over 2 decades, and I'm here to help you understand everything that is going to help you manage all of the symptoms you might be experiencing at home, whether it's dry, brittle hair, it's frizz, whether it is hair color that's fading, whether it's curls that need more hydration. All of this is going to be solved today right in your own home, and I'm going to tell you exactly what aftercare you should be using. For those of you who are looking to grow your hair longer and stronger, this is going to be the aftercare for you. This is Redken's Extreme Length Shampoo and Conditioner, and it's perfect because it's infused with biotin, and it is going to help strengthen your hair, which is going to help promote growth and keep that length as healthy as possible. This is going to be really good for you to use throughout the summer, especially those who are swimming a lot, or those of you who are in the sun. Make sure that you grab this set together because they work so well. Then I'm going to move on to the next aftercare set I want to talk about. I'd love to introduce you to set number 2, which is Redken's All Soft Mega Curls. This set is perfect for everyone who has curly, coily hair that is distressed. It needs extra love, which is that nourishment, moisturizing, and conditioning that is going to really help you get through the summer. So if you are someone who really wants to have soft, nourished curls or coils, this set is for you. Again, that's Redken's All Soft Mega Curls. Now let's get into set number 3. Set number 3 is one of my personal favorites because I'm also someone who struggles with frizz in my hair. So this is going to be Redken's Frizz Dismiss Shampoo and Conditioner. You are going to love this set if you are someone who deals with frizzy or unruly hair. And I know that tends to be a lot of people, especially when their hair is color treated, or if there's someone who is out in the sun, or just generally someone who tends to have frizzy hair. So this is going to be the one that you're gonna wanna grab. Remember, you can use the shampoo set every single day. It's sulfate free. It is gonna leave your hair so beautiful, manageable, and it's really going to give your hair that extra shine that you need, that reflection in the summer. This is gonna be a great set for you to grab. And that brings me into set number 4. For set number 4, I'd love to introduce to you Redken's All Soft Shampoo and Conditioner. Now this set is going to be perfect for you for the summer because it's going to make your hair soft, smooth, conditioned, hydrated, and that's exactly what you need for these hot days. I also want to talk about the fact that when you pair them with the set, which is the shampoo, conditioner, and the aftercare, which is the argan oil, you are going to get up to 15 times more conditioning. So this is a set you're definitely going to want to pick up for your aftercare, especially on these hot days. So let's move into set number 5. Last but not least, I'd love to introduce to you Redken's Color Extend Magnetic Shampoo and Conditioner. Now this shampoo and conditioner set is really special because it's pH balanced, it's sulfate free, and it's meant to rescue your hair from fading. It's meant to extend the life of your hair color, and it is going to be amazing for you during the summer, especially if you care about your hair color longevity. So make sure that you add this to your summer routine because it is such an amazing set for you. Again, this is Redken's Color Extend Magnetic Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm so excited to have been able to share my top 5 aftercare recommendations with you. As you can see, Redken has a line for everyone, and I'm also excited to announce that Ulta is having an exclusive aftercare sale, which is going to start on June 19th through July 11th. The leaders are going to be on sale, and so it's going to be your perfect time to stock up for summer. Thank you again for watching. I'm so excited to come back and share more information with you. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.